So today's video will be on how to build collagen from within so you stay always looking ageless and youthful. What is collagen? Collagen is what is responsible for the youthfulness of your skin. Collagen is what helps maintain your skin's elasticity so it doesn't sag. You end up with premature wrinkles on the skin. It helps slow the aging process if you consume collagen rich foods to help you make collagen, and in order to do so, foods that help you make collagen are vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin A, and the smoothie I'll be sharing with you today how to make. This smoothie is loaded with vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C, not just vitamin A, E, and C. This smoothie is nutrient dense with so many vitamins and minerals to help give you that glow from within, help you look so youthful and ageless as you age. So I have some people say, why is it that people are talking of anti-aging? Everyone has to age, or you want to age looking good. There is nothing wrong with aging. Some people even die without getting to old age, which is not what we want. We will all age, but what I'm talking here is to look good as you age. You want to feel good about yourself as you age. You need to take care of yourself. Put in those nutrients. Put in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and this smoothie should be your go for if you want to have that ageless glow to your skin. It actually tastes so good in the mouth and so filling. So this can be your healthy breakfast alternative. You just consume this in the morning and you feel like eating by 2. That way you stay off those bad calories we are all avoiding. So yeah, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see below this video so you don't miss any of my uploads. So the first ingredient we'll need for this collagen boosting smoothie will be avocados. That is because avocados are nutrient dense and one of the world's most healthiest foods, loaded with so many vitamins and minerals. It has a little bit of most of the vitamins and minerals you need, like vitamin E, which helps the body make collagen, vitamin C. Not only those vitamins and minerals, but equally omega fatty acids, as they become part of your skin cell walls to fight wrinkles on the skin. The amino acids in avocados equally help to rebuild and repair damaged skin. That way, leaving your skin looking vibrant, firmer, and youthful. So what we'll be needing for this smoothie of today is half an avocado. So you want to separate your avocado in 2, unless you're sharing with someone. You need just half of an avocado. Avocados are so healthy as you age. Healthy fats should be your friend. Healthy fats are so good as you age because they nourish and give you that glow from within. So this is our sliced half an avocado. The vitamin C in avocado equally acts as an antioxidant to help fight free radical damage from within. Like, free radical damage is due to environmental exposure and you need an antioxidant to fight it. The second ingredient you need is any green leafy vegetable of your choice. Any green leafy vegetable you are accessible to, but for today I'm using spinach. Green leafy vegetables contain a little bit of most, if not all, of the vitamins and minerals you need. This is the richest source you can get most vitamins and minerals to nourish your system with, from green leafy vegetables. If you want to stay always looking younger, vibrant, and age less, you want to consume a lot of green leafy vegetables, and in order to do so, you just incorporate them in your smoothies so you get the benefits. These are loaded with vitamins and minerals. The next ingredient you want to add, which is a very rich source of vitamin A, you can add mangoes or any vitamin A fruits like papaya, but I'll be adding mangoes in here because papayas are rich in vitamin A lot of vitamin C. Mangoes are highly rich in vitamin A, and we all know the importance of vitamin A for anti-aging. All the retinol retinase are vitamin A. So this is natural retinol in the form of mangoes, which is highly rich in vitamin A. So vitamin A helps to fight aging on the skin. You want to get one mango, any mango of your choice, any, because there are different types of mangoes. It must not be this type. You can use any you are accessible to, and like peel off your mango, slice into sizes that you can easily blend in your blender. This is equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals. The next ingredient you want to add is bananas. Bananas are so good, so beautiful in smoothies. They help make it heavy so you can consume for breakfast. The flavor is out of this world. It is so filling, not just that, but equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals as well, which makes it a super smoothie ingredient. Like, I cannot make my smoothies without adding bananas because it is like 2-in-1 function for the flavor, the thickness, like to make it heavy so I can feel full. As these smoothies, I make different kinds of smoothies as my breakfast. I mostly consume smoothies as my breakfast in the morning, so bananas are always like somewhere in my house. So yeah, these are the ingredients. You have your avocado, mango, banana, and spinach. You want to now put in all your ingredients in your blender. So I get some people asking me, telling me they don't have blender. How can they do this without a blender? Please, can you just try and save up to get a blender, because health is wealth. You don't want to spend that money in the hospital. So sacrifice. You can buy a small bag and like just a small box and just be putting in thousand if you're in Africa. Just be putting in like the small money you have. Save up and get a blender for yourself, because trust me, that will save you a lot of money you spend in the hospital treating diseases, illnesses, because you don't treat yourself. And this will help you, most especially this smoothie, to fight aging. You will look so glowy, youthful, and vibrant. So yeah, this is the smoothie. I don't joke with this particular smoothie because the benefits are out of this world. The benefits of this smoothie, I make sure I take everything out of my blender. Like, I need everything in my system. So this is the smoothie. Very healthy. If you're someone from, most especially 25 and above, these are the kinds of smoothies you want to make as your friend. Eat healthy. Start your morning with smoothies like this. Trust me, you will love yourself. You will love your skin. You will age and look so vibrant and ageless. Share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.